So welcome once again. Today we're touring this 4-bedroom terrace right here in Lekki Scheme 2, Ajah. I actually brought a client to come and see it, so I decided to do a video for you, my viewers, to also enjoy this amazing property. Now it's 8 unit, 2 is gone already, and my client is already eyeing 1. So it's just remaining few units. So this is the best time for you to own one of the units right here. So it's in the market for 145 million naira. Comes with the C of O and the building approval. It's available. So it can see it has an ample parking space. You can park 2 cars, and the finishing is quite impressive. I mean, I love the attention to details of the house. And it also comes with a rooftop terrace, a fully fitted kitchen. And you know I'm going to do it. I'm going to flip the camera, then go inside there and show you what they are doing. They are already working on it, doing some finishing touches, but 2 units is gone already. That's to show you that smart investors, once they see something that is good, they rush on it. They go straight for it and they own it. So if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a second to like, subscribe, and drop a comment what you think about this property. Share this video with a loved one. You don't know, you might be helping someone that is in need of a home. So this video will do a lot of good for them. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the business of the day. I'm sure after watching this video, maybe you might own other units. Yeah, so let's go, guys. Okay, so welcome to my channel. Today we are touring this 4-bedroom terrace. It's actually 8 units. Just like I said, 2 is gone already, and it's just remaining very few units right here. So it's in the market for 145 million naira. Comes with building approval and is C of O title. So this property is located right here in Lekki Scheme 2, Ajah. Okay. And it's in a serene environment. So okay, so today we are touring this one. Let's check it out and see what this property has in store for us. Okay, so stepping in, you have a car compound space that can take 2 cars. So this compound space can take 2 cars. So by this side, you have a security house, a room, and a bathroom over here. So this space can take 2 cars. Okay. So they are still working. This is why you're seeing some materials on ground. So they are still working. But I needed to show you this house because it's a juicy offer. It's a nice house. It's something I feel you should get. So I took my client to come and see a unit for himself. So and I decided to do a video. So by this side you have your visitors toilets, and they've not installed it yet, but this is where we are going to have our visitors toilets. So this is your living area. So this is your living area. So what I like particularly about this house is the finishing. The screening is clean. Okay, so by this side you have your kitchen. So this is where you have your kitchen. So the kitchen is going to come fully finished. Going to come with a microwave, oven, a gas burner, a heat extractor, and cabinet. So those are it is. Still work in progress. And it comes with a big queue. Okay. So this is your boys' quarter. So this is the boys' quarter. Comes with toilet. So this is where we're going to have the toilet for the boys' quarter. Okay. So they are working. So the noise. So this staircase takes you to the rooftop terrace. But I'm going to come back there later when they are done with what they are doing. I'm going to show you a video, attach a video of the rooftop terrace when they are done with what they are doing. Okay. So this right here, you have your guest room. So it's a 4-bedroom. You have 1 room downstairs and 3 rooms upstairs. So this is your guest room. As usual, all rooms are Ensuite is locked. Okay, so let's head upstairs so you can see the rest of the rooms. The master's bed. Okay, so the stairway comes with this glass railing, strong, beautiful. Okay, so we have a transparent glass slab that gives you let in natural light. So that's where you have a rooftop terrace. So it's coming with this. So this is room one. This is room one. So we have your toilet by this side. Okay, so let's check out the second room. So this is room two. So this is room two. So comes with toilets and the bathroom. Okay, so let's check out the last room on this floor, which is the master's bed. So this right here is your master's bedroom. Okay, so the master's bed comes with a balcony. So this is a balcony. So you have your wardrobe by this side and your bathroom right here. So this is your bathroom. Still under construction. Okay, so it's a 4-bedroom terrace. Price on it is 145 million naira, and yeah, just we have 8 units. 2 is gone already. Just remaining 6 units, and the client is is in the talks with for 1 unit. So it's just very few units that is remaining. So remember, I said I'm going to show you the rooftop. So let's go over there. Let me do a video and attach to it so you can see rooftop. So we have a spiral step. So we have a spiral step that takes you to the roof. Okay, so let me just quickly do a video, show you. So this staircase take you to the rooftop there. So I'll be showing you a video of it. So just watch this video to the end and let's go upstairs to the rooftop. Okay, so we are here. Okay, so you can get creative with what you want to do here. Just construct a gazebo, have your evening sit out with your friends, just chill, enjoy the cool breeze, enjoy the ambience of it. So this is the rooftop. So this is the glass slab. Remember I showed you. So this lets in natural light. So let me, okay. There. Okay, so call the number that is showing on your screen and let me bring you here for inspection and let's get started.